Hello, my name is George Nell. I'm here from South Africa. I live in Limpopo province. I have a lot of crop experience. I have done soya beans, corn, wheat, sugar beans under pivot irrigation. I have a lot of years of tractor experience with the GPS system on the John Deere 8335 8530, the Green Star system that they have. I can do field preparation, planting, harvesting, uh, pull behind sprayers with tractors, do mixing of poison. And then I also have a lot of years of cattle farming. I can do branding, tagging, identifying illnesses, pulling calves. I also have some backgrounding feedlot experience, mixing feed, putting in the ratios that all the cattle need. So yes, that's basically the short version of me, and I'm looking for a job in the States. Thank you.